Here we have our EE4 drum computer, the Groove Box. It's a 16 sequence drum computer. So here you have your 16 beats. It'll constantly loop through the sequence. You build up a sequence by choosing you start by one of three instruments. We have a snare, a hi-hat, and a kick drum. These aren't really legible, but they're engraved on here. And with this potentiometer, you can choose which instrument you want to control at that moment. So for example, here I'd have the snare and I put it here, 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 and here, and then these lights would turn on to designate that's where the sound's going to come in, but we don't have the power on at the moment. So then there's a tempo selector, which, as the name suggests, determines how fast the loop will be played through. And then there's sound modification for each of the three drums to change how they'll sound. A volume button, pretty standard, on-off standard, and an output. The whole shebang is controlled by this PIC controller, which basically just sends out 5-volt triggers to each one of these emulators if that sound has been selected for that specific beat in the sequence. The LEDs are controlled by a multiplexer and a demultiplexer, and that about sums up all of the electronics inside. All PCBs and circuits will be included at the bottom of the video. That we threw in some slight modifications here and there, but they should be good for a large part. And now we'll have a short demonstration by a world famous DJ all the way from Linden, Belgium, Wouter van Asselberg. Spin that shit. Ja.
Is er nooit zo?
Ja, blijkbaar.
Oké, we beginnen.
Spin that shit, DJ.
Go for it, DJ!
Bam! Linden represents.